cow. That's a big old cat. Holy cow, Brooke, that is huge. Ooh, alright, let's see what we got. Big old catfish using Secret 7. Feels like a pretty good one. Oh yeah, real good one. That's a good one. Uh-oh, he's wrapped around the... Oh crap, he's wrapped around the anchor. Okay, come here, boy. Come here, big boy. There's a nice catfish right there. Ooh, look at all the leeches on him. It's all over his face. Dang. Sorry about. Oh, he doesn't have an eye either. Oh yeah, he does. He's a little blind in that one eye, it looks like. Yeah, that eye right there, he's blind in. That's crazy. Oh. God, open your mouth. Good old cat right there. First one of the day. Secret 7. Okay guys, we're out here and it's raining like cats and dogs. The wind is blowing super hard and we are roughing it right now with a drift sock. We're using it as a tent right now. We're still watching our poles. Hopefully the fish want to bite. We're staying out here no matter what. So, let's see what happens. We're good for right now. It is howling though. Hopefully it's not supposed to last very long. So anyway, we'll see you guys if we get hooked up on anything. Alright, Brooke's on one. Looks like a big one. Keep reeling. Yeah, he's probably swimming towards you. Hold up, hold up. Don't put. Ooh. Looks like a good one.
Okay, do you have a net?
Yeah, net's right here.
Hey, stop. Get out!
Oh, that's a big one! Holy cow! That's a big old cat. Holy cow, Brooke, that is huge. Grab that big boy. Look at the size of that catfish. Oh, oh, look out. Wow. That is a big old boy right there.
Damn, he's strong.
That is a huge cat. Look at that bad boy. Awesome catfish. Take a look at that mouth. Wow, isn't that a big fish, huh? Come on, catch a huge fish.
Can I see a big fish? Can I see, Mommy?
I can't, my hands are too slimy.
Can I see? Can I see the big fish? Can I see the big fish?
You guys are catching all the big fish.
He's so cute!
Ah, look out, look out, look out. Those got spikes on them. Got a lot of fighting if you reel them in too fast. Yeah. That's the biggest fish you ever caught, Brooke?
Yeah. It was worth the storm.
Yeah, we just been hiding out in the storm.
In our sock tent.
In our
right
sock
here.
tent. Awesome. Oh, there he goes. Got another big catfish on, fellas. Oh, don't go under there. Come on, baby. Let me take you out front. Ah.
fish. He's
Look
right
at
here.
the big fish.
Woo woo!
Come on, boy. Come here, you. Not as big as Brooks, but still a good one. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. We almost held that one. That's a nice catfish right there, too. Awesome. Let me get some more. Okay. Alright guys, this is what I'm doing right here. It's been gold catching these big catfish. What I'm using is my homemade bait along with Secret 7. So what I'm doing is I'm dipping this in, getting it all nice and gross, and then I'm just putting a big chunk of my homemade bait on it as well. So when this wears off, my homemade bait's still gonna be there. So it has been gold so far. We just caught 2 big catfish with it. I didn't think it was gonna work. I was just tired of it coming off our hook so fast. And so what I'm doing is I'm just hooking it on just like that with the Secret 7 and homemade bait, just like that. It has been slaying some big catfish. Go ahead and just keep recording. Just cast that bad boy out. Let her wait. Alright guys, there's my catfish that I caught. Pretty good one. Secret 7 of my homemade bait. I actually have a video on how I make my homemade bait, and I'll put it right here, right there. Anyway, go check that video out. Use some Secret 7. We caught 2 huge catfish with it. It was pretty dang awesome. Here's Brooks Catfishers. It was the bigger one. Show that to the camera. See some monster catfish right here. Just look at those mouths. It's just awesome. Have a good time coming out here with a kid. She saw a whole bunch of it. She wants to touch the fish, and just been a heck of a good time, everyone. So anyway, we're gonna get these guys released. The weather is getting terrible. We're not gonna stay out here anymore. We're getting soaked. Don't come out here in this kind of conditions. We kind of got stranded in it. We were at a one marina. The wind just came in and hit us, and I don't like being out here on wind during windy days. So we ran into the marina, hung out, caught these 2 catfish. We were just hanging out, caught these 2 catfish, and then it broke for a minute. We had some calm weather just for a little bit, so we hurried and hightailed back to the marina that we were parked at. It was kind of rough, but you gotta do what you gotta do to catch big catfish. So anyway, we're gonna get these guys released. All right, Brooks is gonna let the big one go first.
Ready?
We are ready.
Come on, dude.
There he goes. Live to fight another day.
It's recording.
Yep, it's still recording. Okay, I'm releasing my big boy now. Not as big as hers, but still nice catfish. Can't beat it. Come on, boy. There he goes. And we got one more that I caught earlier. One with one eye. Look at his eyes, guys. I think he's got something wrong with him. Sorry, Frankie. You just about got hit by a fish.
She did. Are you okay?
All right. Well, okay. We're throwing him back. He's mean. All right, ready? Throwing him back. Get out of here. Holy cow, that's a mean catfish.
Frankie, you got hit in the head with a fish. How do you feel? How do you feel that you got hit in the head with a catfish? Are you good? No? Look at Mom.
Anyway, guys, we're getting out of here. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time.